David DePape broke into Nancy Pelosi's house looking for her. Only her husband, Paul, was home. As police responded, DePape struck Paul Pelosi with a hammer, leaving him with a fractured skull. DePape faced both federal and state charges, and now he's been convicted by juries in each case. ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns has been following today's ruling for us. He's live here now in studio with reaction. Tim.
Yeah, DePape was convicted by the jury of all 5 counts today, some of them including aggravated kidnapping, false imprisonment of an elder, and threatening the family member of a public official. Now, earlier today, I caught up with both the prosecution and the defense in this case to get their reaction. After several days of deliberation, a San Francisco jury found David DePape guilty on all charges in his state trial over the hammer attack against Paul Pelosi. In the hallway of the courthouse, DePape's public defender, Adam Lipson, saying both he and DePape were disappointed by the jury's decision. He tells ABC 7 News he took particular issue with the prosecution adding an aggravated kidnapping charge.
It's really unfortunate it was charged this way. It was sort of a textbook vindictive prosecution. As soon as they found out that the attempted murder charge was going to be dismissed, they added this charge.
An accusation that San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins denied. Jenkins speaking to the press following Friday's verdict at her office.
That was dealt with by the court. We charged Mr. DePape with what he was guilty of, as clear by the jury's verdict.
According to California law, the kidnapping charge carries a life sentence without the possibility of parole. All of this coming after DePape was sentenced last month to 30 years in prison in his federal case.
After he serves his 30 years in federal custody, he will be, at the age of 75, instead of being deported back to Canada, he will be brought back to California to spend the end of his life in a California prison.
Legal analyst Stephen Clark says despite Lipson's objections to the outcome, he wasn't surprised by the jury's verdict Friday afternoon.
And I think what the message was today is that Mr. DePape is extremely dangerous to society, and there's no safe place for him other than state prison.
DePape's lawyer says he will appeal the verdict, a move Clark believes won't make much of a difference.
That video evidence and his statements to the police are so damaging that it's hard to say that any jury would have come to a different conclusion.
Now, as for the sentencing in this state trial, that will be scheduled for a later date. I'm live in the studio tonight. Tim Johns, ABC 7 News.